Hello, if you're doing international econs in school now, this is a video you have to take note of, okay? So when we talk about reasons why countries trade, we know that a large part of the answer relates to the theory of comparative advantage, right? Theory of comparative advantage, if you look at the where to start, where to end, it's not exactly very straightforward. So I would recommend you follow this structure when you're trying to learn the reasons for trade, okay? It's called A to O, not H2O as in water, but A to O. So there are two A's and one O. The first A stands for assumptions. As we know, when you talk about economic theories, whether it's the theory of the multiplier, theory of a firm, or now theory of CA, the reason why they are theories and not really a law is because they are backed up by assumptions. They only hold true if certain assumptions are in place. So theory of multiplier, we assume existence of spare capacity. We assume MPC is a standard value. And when you talk about theory of trade, we assume quite a few things, right? You assume the constant of cost, okay, in producing both goods. You assume there's no barriers to trade. You assume two countries, two goods. Okay, so that's the first thing you have to consider and list out the list of assumptions. First A. Second A, analysis. So we have to show why countries can specialize in the areas where they have a CA and from there enjoy greater gains from trade. All right. Now, this analysis doesn't require numbers. In the past, we had to provide numbers, but now numbers are not strictly required. Okay. So that's the second A. And the last one stands for outcome. Outcome, let's be very careful. Theory of CA is not about higher actual growth, higher potential growth, because we are not talking about a shift in your PPC. Neither are we talking about higher CGI X minus M, okay? The outcome from theory of CA is really about the ability to consume outside your PPC. What can that represent? A few things. Number one, higher material standards, okay? Because you can consume more and that fits with the definition of material standards. You can also tie that to alleviation of scarcity. Scarcity means you can't produce outside your PPC, but now you are able to consume outside your PPC, not through a shift, but a jump outside. Okay, so that's it. When you look at A2O, first, assumption, second, analysis, third, outcome. Okay, I'll share more in my weekly lessons. All right, thank you.